again, and thank you for choosing to watch another one of my videos here at Benidorm and beyond. Such was the interest in the previous videos on the destruction of Benidorm Square that I've uploaded, that I thought I would give you another update on the area so you can see how it's progressing. The last video I published was way back on the 19th of April, would you believe, so this footage represents my many visits to Calle Mallorca or Thonagiri over the past 3 months. I have been going down most weeks to record any changes, but much like any major roadwork scheme, it is turning out to be quite a long process. At the beginning of May, the palm trees were all removed for safekeeping, and the council have been as good as their word and now returned them after being stored in La Cala in Calle Colombia. You can see them at the very end of this video, currently being propped up to keep them straight and bed them down, I presume. Then, hopefully, with the majority of the underground work now completed, they can start on all the pretty bits. This will involve smoothing out the concrete, completely retiling and general finishing off, as well as the addition of new LED lights and new seating areas that have been promised. As I said when they begun the work, the square is a bit like Marmite. You either love it or hate it, but one thing's for certain, you will never forget it. Whether you've met your partner here, watched one of the many free cabaret acts, or just had a night you can't remember, it's an iconic part of the Benidorm experience. So I will leave you to watch the remainder of the video while listening to some Latin music. And if you enjoyed it, please like it and subscribe to the channel. And if you would like notifications of future videos, just hit the bell notification button and you'll be informed of any new videos as soon as I upload them. enjoyed this video, I would ask that you please like it and subscribe to my channel. And if you would like notifications of future videos, just hit the bell notification button and you'll be informed of any new videos as I upload them. For those of you who have only just found my channel Benidorm and Beyond, I enjoy not only videoing the usually bustling Benidorm, but also the beautiful local area, including the nearby villages and towns, which can mostly all be reached by local buses at very reasonable prices. So please check out my other content and drop me a line in the comments section if there was something that you would particularly like me to include. See you next time. Cheers!